Hi, today we will discuss benefits of chia seeds. Chia seeds, tiny powerhouses of nutrition, have gained popularity as a superfood in recent years. These small but mighty seeds, derived from the Salvia hispanica plant, pack a punch when it comes to health benefits. When incorporated into your daily diet, chia seeds can bring about several notable improvements in your overall well-being. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating ways chia seeds positively impact your body. Number 1 benefit is weight management. Chia seeds are a valuable tool for those looking to manage their weight, whether that means losing weight or maintaining a healthy weight. The fiber in chia seeds absorbs water and swells in your stomach, creating a feeling of fullness. This can reduce overall food intake and potentially aid in weight management. Number 2, heart health. Chia seeds are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and support heart health. They may help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. If you want to improve your heart health, you should include chia seeds into your diet. Number 3, skin health. Chia seeds' omega-3s and antioxidants contribute to healthy, glowing skin by reducing inflammation and supporting the repair of skin cells. Regular consumption may lead to a clearer complexion. Include chia seeds into your diet for glowing skin. Number 4, bone health. Chia seeds are a notable source of essential minerals that are crucial for bone health, including calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. These minerals play pivotal roles in the formation, maintenance, and strength of bones. You can include chia seeds to yogurt, oatmeal or water for better bone health results. Number 5, hydration. Chia seeds' water-absorbing ability can help you stay hydrated. When mixed with fluids, they release water slowly into your body, aiding in maintaining proper hydration levels. Number 6, blood sugar regulation. Chia seed-soluble fiber can help stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This makes them a beneficial choice for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to regulate blood sugar. Diabetes patients should consider chia seeds into their diet. Number 7, improved digestion. Chia seeds are renowned for their high fiber content. Soluble and insoluble fiber in chia seeds promote digestive regularity. Chia seeds prevent constipation and contribute to a healthy gut microbiome, which is vital for overall digestive health. Include chia seeds into your daily meals to improve digestion problems. Number 8, nutrient boost. Chia seeds are a nutrient-rich addition to your diet. They are a source of omega-3 fatty acids, essential for brain and heart health, as well as protein, calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants, all of which support various bodily functions. Chia seeds is a powerhouse of nutrition if you include it to your diet. Number 9, reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases. Chia seeds' omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants have anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation throughout the body, potentially lowering the risk of chronic conditions. Examples of chronic diseases are diabetes, cancer, heart disease. Number 10, energy and endurance. Chia seeds have been used historically by indigenous peoples for their energy-boosting properties. They can provide sustained energy due to their balanced combination of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. However, it's important to consume chia seeds in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. While they offer numerous health benefits, they are also calorie-dense, so excessive consumption may lead to weight gain if not accounted for in your overall calorie intake. Always consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or concerns. That's all for today. Until next time, goodbye and stay safe.